The following tag team contest is set for one fall and has a 20-minute time limit. Introducing first, Hyan! Introducing her partner, Maritza Janett! Introducing their opponents, Tenacious Trixie Tash! Introducing her partner, Willow Nightingale!
What? One person? Are you starting one? Yeah, that's how it happens. Sure. Somebody explain those rules.
They're rookies, come on.
Nah, Texas Tornado rules.
Are you ready? Are you ready?
I'm ready.
Ring the bell.
Rules are guidelines.
Welcome, ladies and gentlemen, to Rise 6 Brutality. We are at the American Legion in Southgate, California. Dave Krazak, joined at this time by the Shimmer champion, Nicole Savoy, on color commentary. Hello.
Hello, boss man. How are you doing?
Quite well. We have 10 big matches on the card here this evening. Getting things started with tag team action. Hyan teaming up with Maritza Janett, taking on Willow Nightingale and Trixie Tash. 4 competitors who are part of the afternoon seminar training with both Cheerleader Melissa and the legendary Nakano, who is in the building here tonight. What an opportunity it was for everyone to learn from those 2 very experienced athletes.
Oh, yeah. And I'm not even going to lie, boss man. I'm kind of like obsessed with Marissa's hair right now. Very gray.
It's very gray,
It's
very unique, very unique looking.
You know, she kind of reminds me of a Mortal Kombat character. She's like my favorite fighter in the game. So.
Well, we'll see how she can do fighting inside the ring during the course of this match.
Exactly. I hope she fights like Sindel.
But in the ring right now, Hyan, trained by Booker T down in Texas, was a part of the last Rise seminar in the Berwyn Eagles Club as well. So good to see a lot of these athletes participating in multiple seminars with multiple training influences. She can now say that she's been trained by both Aja Kong and Nakano. These are going to be interesting resumes going forward for years to come.
Yes, it is. But also, too, Trixie was also part of that seminar
Yes,
as well.
she was.
Also part of Rise.
Yes.
The last one.
And Willow Nightingale tagged in, as well as Maritza Janett. I don't know, no Mortal Kombat receiving that drop toe hold.
There's no drop toe holds in Mortal Kombat.
Willow Night, are there drop toe holds in Mortal Kombat?
No, there's
Maybe.
not.
They should add it to the game. It's
should.
legitimate fighting.
I mean, they have like the leg sweep, but that's it.
There you go.
Guess it was kind
Slight
of
modification of the leg sweep.
There are tackles, though. I've seen them in the game.
Willow Nightingale out of the NYWC in New York, trained by Tony Nese and Mike Mondo. Keeping control of the arms. Submission predicament, keeping her away from the ropes. Trying to roll her over so the shoulders are flat. Finally does. Only gets 2, though.
Very impressive. That pin.
Now all the way across the ring. A little bit of dancing.
Cha-cha slides.
And big forearm shot to follow up. Maritza looks out on her feet right now.
Arm is devastating.
Nice snap on the suplex, too. Willow looking good here. Needs to stay on her, though. First making her Rise debut tonight will be one of the most impressive athletes out of Europe, Toni Storm. It's also part of the WWE Mae Young Classic along with yourself. And right now the referee losing control of things a little bit, trying to keep Trixie out on the apron, but behind his back, illegally, Hyan doing some damage, trying to get her out of the ring now. And now handful of the hair, the ample hair of Willow Nightingale as she's repeatedly driven into that top turnbuckle.
Well, at least we know she has a fiery side to her.
Yes, she does. Kick to the back. Going for the cover now. Only a 1 count. And still in her first year of professional wrestling. Right here in the state of California. Repeated kicks to the midsection.
Maritza. She's got till 5.
Overhand chop. And again, referee not keeping his eyes on her as Hyan was holding her there. Perhaps a bit of a choke right before he turned around. She was nicer at the last ride. That's the influence of this Maritza Janett character.
It's a bad influence.
Yes. Double drop kick. Shades of the Rock and Roll Express right there. 2 count.
I've actually been on the receiving end of those drop kicks from Hyan.
I was going to say from Robert Gibson and Ricky Morton. Get a near fall. Willow needs to try her best to get to a corner and tag a very fresh Trixie out on the apron. But cutting the ring in half right now. Nice bridging suplex. It gets her shoulder up. Also tonight, headlined by a big steel cage match as the newly crowned Phoenix of Rise, Delilah Doom, will defend against Rosemary. Yes, we can fit a cage in this building.
A little bit concerned about the ceiling. Otherwise, I'm excited.
Pay attention. Oh! I think she may have wanted to tag right there, but I believe this is the first time they are teammates in professional wrestling. So still learning to be partners with one another. Get on the same page. They've communicated enough to be able to cut the ring in half and focus on Willow Nightingale here.
Also very vocal. Very, very vocal.
Willow mounted some offense. Needs to make a tag, though. She's in the wrong part of town as Hyan took that cheap shot from the apron. Elbow. But Maritza firing away. Shot across the back. Blatant choke now. Referee needs to get in there. And of course tonight you will be facing Ariel Monroe, making her Rise debut.
I know, a hashtag Swole family.
Have you done battle in the past elsewhere in professional wrestling with Ariel Monroe?
No, I haven't.
Have not. First time ever, right here on Rise.
First time ever. First time ever with a Swole family member. We have worked out in the gym together, so if it's.
So you're familiar with one another's styles?
As far as the gym goes.
Oh,
yes.
just the gym. Okay.
Just the gym.
Not actual training or anything like that. Okay. Holds on, reversing that Irish whip into a leg sweep right there. Willow now tying her up, submission predicament. Will Hyan be forced to give it up? No, Maritza's in there to break up the submission. Referee needs to keep her on the apron.
This crowd is definitely rowdy tonight.
Yes, well, we like it. Packed crowd, sell out in advance.
They hold no punches.
Forearm shot for Trixie. Willow needs to get to her partner. She's been on the receiving end for a good 5 minutes.
She's been there a very long time.
Moves out of harm's way right there.
Tag.
Avoids that shot as well. German suplex!
Oh, and she folded her in half.
Just launched her across the ring. This could be Willow Nightingale's opportunity to get to Trixie and make that tag. Get a fresh partner tagged into the match. Crowd here in Southgate encouraging her.
She's in the wrong corner, though.
She's trying to get there.
Trying to.
Trixie with her arm outstretched. Almost there, so close.
There you go.
Both teams make the tag. It's Trixie and Hyan, the legal wrestlers. In comes Maritza on the receiving end of a clothesline herself. House of Fire, Trixie Tash. Big suplex. You too, honey.
Quite a bit of suplexes in this match.
Yes. Stealing your gimmick.
I know. means I have to throw 100 more.
Yes. All the way to the top rope. Trixie gets her balance. Both of her opponents on the receiving end of the missile drop kick. Nicely done by Trixie. Hyan, the legal wrestler. Gonna follow up on her, get her in position for... Oh, Willow's going up. So from behind, Maritza with the forearm shot. And Willow now off the second moonsault, but nobody home. Hyan rolled out of the way. And now Willow sent to the floor. Gonna focus on Trixie. Elevating her. Oh! Chest first down to the mat. And that's it.
Lights out.
A solid outing by all four wrestlers involved, but Hyan and Maritza Janett pick up the victory in your opening contest of Rise 6.